Robotic Process Automation. What is robotic process automation? Robotic process automation is a software technology that makes it easy to build, deploy, and manage software robots that emulate humans' actions interacting with digital systems and software. Just like people, software robots can do things like understand what's on a screen, complete the right keystrokes, navigate systems, identify and extract data, and perform a wide range of defined actions. Why is RPA the fastest growing enterprise software in the world? Rapid, significant return on investment, minimal upfront investment, no disruption to underlying systems, low-code build environment, scalable and enterprise-ready. Did you know? The company was co-founded by Alistair Bathgate and David Moss to provide a new approach that today is known as Robotic Process Automation, or RPA. In 2003, Blue Prism's first commercial product, Automate, was launched. In 2005, the second version of Automate was released with features for large-scale processing. Our courses: Blue Prism Training, UiPath Training, Automation Anywhere Training, Power Automate Training. Blue Prism Training. Overview of Blue Prism Training introduces robotic process automation and provides guidance on building a capability as well as an overview of the Blue Prism software that underpins the platform. Imagine a different kind of workforce that you can teach countless skills. Career paths in Blue Prism. UiPath Training. Overview of UiPath Training. The purpose of this robotics and automation course is to introduce the learner to the concepts of robotic process automation. The UiPath Training course in Chennai from BTree Systems teaches you how to master the key concepts of RPA, image and text automation, and data manipulation with RPA bots, orchestrator management, and RE framework architecture. Career paths in UiPath. Automation Anywhere Training. Overview of Automation Anywhere Training. The only cognitive robotic process automation platform that has been designed to automate any business process running in any modern enterprise is Automation Anywhere. This course will help you to pursue your career goals in RPA. Career paths in Automation Anywhere. Power Automate Training. Overview of Power Automate Training. RPA Power Automate Training is a type of business automation that creates a virtual copycat of human processes by recording and performing each task on a computer without humans. Microsoft Power Automate Learning is a cross-platform product that automates business processes and makes them consistent and visually appealing. Career paths in Power Automate.